class. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Mars 2020 Perseverance rover. I'm going to be telling you guys a little bit about the artifacts behind it, all the work that went into it, and all the findings that actually came about when scientists, NASA, the world actually successfully launched Mars 2020 Perseverance on Mars. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's get right into it. The Mars 2020 Perseverance rover is a spacecraft that was sent to Mars to look for ancient microbes. These microbes are the only types of life that would be found on Mars at this moment in time, given its inhabitable atmosphere. The Mars 2020 Perseverance rover was launched from Earth on July 30th, 2020, and landed on Mars 7 months later on February 18, 2021. The Perseverance rover is part of a very important mission and project. And actually, the last rover, I believe you guys probably noticed, was the 2012 Curiosity rover that set the precedent for the creation of the Perseverance rover and its modern improvements. Perseverance has a lot of different instruments that are going to allow scientists to really hone in on the information they need to know on whether or not life existed on Mars over 1 billion years ago. So a lot of the ones that stand out are called the SuperCam, the MasterCam, the Sherlock, the Moxie, the RimFax, the Pixel, and the Meta. My two personal favorites are definitely the Moxie and the Meta. This is what the Moxie looks like. It's this little gold box that they inserted into Perseverance. And basically, Moxie takes out the carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere of Mars and creates oxygen by separating 1O from CO2, and since oxygen does not like to be alone, it binds with another oxygen to make O2. And again, here I'm showing you the same picture. I just want you guys to look at the Meta, the weather station, and I just think it's really cool how they can measure the weather on an entirely different planet. That's why I love it. Finally, I want to get to the discoveries. So this right here is the first picture that Perseverance ever took when landing on Mars. This was a very, very exciting day for NASA scientists, and space lovers. This is another picture of Mars, the surface of Mars, and an example of what samples would be taken through these test tubes. If only you could see them. I'll insert another picture soon, but okay. So, when Perseverance landed on the Jezero crater, it was an exciting day, and it went straight to work. Since we had these test tubes like I'm showing here, we are hoping that Perseverance will be able to collect rocks and sediment and dust from the surface of Mars in order to be able to study it and bring it back to Earth for the next mission of bringing back substances from Mars to the Earth, which will take a couple of more years. What does this really mean for humans? This is really a fascinating project with fascinating discoveries. The fact that there was discovery of magma, which is like lava, and of rivers on the surface of Mars shows you that life was there. Water was most likely there. And even in the discovery of the 2012 with the Curiosity rover, finding the remnants of schnapps, which is carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur, finding that, and those being key elements of life here on Earth, just shows me, and hopefully a lot of you, that life definitely did inhabit Mars. And it's great knowledge for us humans to know. And it just confirms some of our questions about the universe and if we're really the only people that have ever inhabited it. So I thank you for watching my presentation and listening to what I found. I hope you all have a great rest of your semester, and good luck to you all.